Huawei has released new smartphone to the market, the Huawei Pure IT Ultra. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Huawei Pure IT Ultra is a flagship phone that truly pushes the smartphone technology, particularly in its camera capabilities. In terms of design, the Pure IT Ultra adopts an elegant and pure glass design. Adds a metallic luster and presents a gilded gold glaze texture. The X-Image gold label, lens gold ring, and other details make the aesthetic reach a new height. Now take a close look display of this beast. The smartphone boasts a LTP OLED touchscreen display with 6.8 inches screen size. It features a resolution of 1276 by 2848 pixels, delivering crisp visuals with a pixel density of 459 ppi. Supports 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Peak brightness reaches 3000 nits and supports ADR with high dynamic display function. Excellent for outdoor visibility. There will be a triple camera setup back on the phone. Main camera sensor is 50 megapixel, 1-inch ultra high dynamic sensor, and second is dual telephoto lens, that is 50 megapixel ultra large sensor, f2.4 sensor shift stabilization, and 12.5 megapixel ultra telephoto, f3.6 sensor shift stabilization, and third is 40 megapixel ultra wide angle. Huawei Pure IT Ultra is Huawei's latest flagship phone, leading the future of mobile imaging with its ultimate imaging technology and innovative design. The phone uses the one lens and two eyes technology for the first time, integrating two optical zoom segments of 3.7x medium telephoto and a 9.4x super telephoto. The optical distance is increased by 129% compared with the previous generation, and the amount of light entering is 8 times higher than that of the competing telephoto. It supports up to 100x digital zoom and 5 cm ultra close macro shooting. In addition, the phone is also equipped with a red maple primary color camera, pixel level color calibration, clear light and dark details, and accurate color reproduction. Talk about the performance. The smartphone is powered by Huawei's own Kirin 9020 chipset. This octa-core processor, built on a 7nm process, features a configuration designed for both power and efficiency. With a 2.5 GHz station big core, 3 2.15 GHz station mid cores, and 4 1.6 GHz Cortex A510 cores. Graphics are handled by the Myleon 920 GPU, clocked at 840 MHz. While not always directly comparable to chips from other manufacturers, Huawei claims a significant performance improvement over its predecessor, offering a smooth and responsive experience for daily tasks, demanding apps, and gaming. Smartphone comes with a 16 GB of RAM, providing ample handroom multitasking in demanding applications. For storage, you have 512 GB and a massive 1 TB storage. The battery is a large 5700 mAh. It supports incredibly 100 watt charging with 80 watt wireless charging. Talk about the price. The starting price is $1,391, reflecting its high-end positioning and powerful hardware configuration. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.